Hi, this is Driving with Miles. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. This is going to be a quick tutorial on driving through traffic. So I've started the vehicle. Whenever you back up, you want to look left and right. You want to look behind you. Even though I have a backup camera, I'm not going to rely on that. So I'm looking left and right. I reverse the vehicle out. I take my time, always looking. And then I turn back hand over hand. You want to go through your neighborhood under 20 miles an hour. You want to be safe. You want to take your time. You always want to scan for people backing out of the driveway, kids, and look ahead and be safe. People let their guard down in neighborhoods. This is where a lot of accidents happen because people are careless. They're not paying attention. So always be extra. You hear me? Extra in neighborhoods. You got to be safe. You got to look. So there's a stop sign coming up. I'm turning on my left blinker right now. I'm starting to slow down. 100 feet, a half a block. You want to start slowing down. This is the main thoroughfare. So now I've got to stop completely. And now I've got to look left, right, left. I'm looking for a gap. I have a gap. I can go ahead and make my turn. And then you want to turn into the nearest lane. And that's what I did. So everything is adjusted. The mirror is adjusted properly. I need to make a lane change to the right. Mirror, turn signal, blind spot. If you haven't done so, I have a lot of content. I think I got about 190 videos, tutorials. If you don't know me, I teach teens and adults. So we're driving on the main thoroughfare. I'm waiting for the light to change. The light has just turned green. I'm keeping about a 3-car space cushion. Always keep space between yourself and other vehicles. You gradually want to go with the flow. You want to take your time. On your DMV test or road test, you want to have great speed control. The speed limit here is 50. I'm at about 45 miles an hour. I have good speed control. You see me checking my mirrors and blind spots. You always have to look around. Your DMV tester or road tester will have a checklist of things that you need to demonstrate in order to pass. They will give you 2 opportunities to make maneuvers. They'll tell you the first time, let's pretend I'm making a right turn and I missed that turn, they'll tell you again. If you don't do the turn that they tell you, that is automatic failure. They will terminate the test. There's a prescribed route that they will take you on. So you see me looking and scanning traffic. I'm going on to another major road where the speed limit is 50 miles an hour. So I've stopped behind the stop line. That's what you're supposed to do. And then there's a car ahead of me, about 2 cars. I can turn right on red. You always have to look. You see me looking and checking traffic. So I'm going up to the edge, always being aware of pedestrians, and I'm looking. I have a space. I go right into the nearest lane. And that's the way driving should feel. It should be smooth and efficient. I'm getting over 1 lane to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot. Speed control is good. I'm in the middle lane, which is the smooth lane. You will be making lane changes on your DMV test or road test. So it's really important that you understand mirror, turn signal, blind spot. You want to be patient. You want to take your time. I'm coming up to a railroad crossing. You always have to look left, right, and left. I'm looking before I get here, and I look again. You have to overemphasize that to your DMV tester or road tester. Those are dangerous areas, and a lot of crossings around America don't have gates. So I'm maintaining good speed control. I'm gonna get over 1 lane to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot, 3 blinks, minimum 3 blinks. So I'm coming to a slowdown, stopping behind the stop line. You wanna have nice, smooth stops, and you wanna start looking and scanning. You have to develop that scanning, that searching, that visual behavior. Those things are extremely important. Your DMV tester or road tester wants to see confidence. How do you drive with confidence? You practice your turns. You practice your speed control. So let's review. I need you to subscribe to my channel. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. It's called Driving with Miles. I love you. Thank you.